Regular mode? Oh yeah. Very you can definitely hit it.
That's the difference.
A huge difference.
Yeah. It's got valves in it that open up the exhaust.
Awesome.
So,
Alright, let's hear this thing. Come on. Come on, Matt.
let me turn off all the shit. Okay.
Alright, you ready? I'll leave it wash and go, baby.
That thing will eat your